Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by sitting in the driver's seat and locating the park brake switch on the center console near the shifter. Press and hold the main brake pedal firmly with your foot. Do not rely on the parking brake alone. Check the 12V battery charge with a meter or start the vehicle to ensure electrical power. A weak or dead battery can prevent the electronic parking brake from releasing. Keep the transmission in park and set the ignition to run when preparing to release the brake. To release the electronic parking brake, press and hold the brake pedal firmly and press the park brake switch on the console for about 2 seconds until you hear the actuator. On many 2024 Cherokee models, the system will auto-release when you shift from park to drive while holding the brake pedal. That is useful when driving away immediately. You should hear the motor sound and feel a slight drop or change in pedal pressure when the brake disengages. If the release is complete, the parking brake indicator on the dash will turn off. If the parking brake fails to release, first verify the 12V battery and jumpstart or charge it. Most electronic systems need battery power to operate. If power is good, but the brake still won't disengage, locate the emergency manual release access panel in the cargo area or trunk and follow the owner manual steps to manually release the calipers or actuator. If you are not confident or the vehicle is on a slope, call roadside assistance or a dealer technician to avoid damaging cables or components while performing manual release procedures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.